I've been living tirelessly, vicariously through a pen, looking up behind a viewfinder at the realities I write when I'm alone. And it scares me to think that maybe no one will ever read what I've never said in front of anyone before. Like the things it hurts to think of when I'm standing in front of a mirror. But sometimes it catches me off guard, so I'll sit there, gazing back into the abyss of who I'm afraid of becoming, just hoping that that abyss would leave me alone. But it's not just there when I'm awake, gazing into the overstated thought that I let myself peer into. It's not just there, as every time I shut my eyes, I see myself the way I would be in an alternate reality, writing bareback on a typewriter, typing out photograph depression onto 35mm film that I'm feeding through my teeth to you, listener. Listen, this isn't a confession, it's the story I breathe. So listen to my nervous footsteps as I pace back and forth and watch my own eyes dance across the backs of my eyelids because I'm scared, listener. And I've been that way since the day I stepped away from the pain I penned into the borders of the photos. Listener, you have become the subject of the photo from my now. And the first time I broke my pen is the moment I shot you in the frame of who I am becoming with every word that I type out of my mouth. You, listener, are the wake in my sleep because I wake up to escape my dreams. And the words on this film strip are why I stay that way. It's hard to stay that way. I'm sorry, I've got a broken up story, soaking up all the memories that define me. I've tried to put it all behind me, but there's still more to the story. It's still broken when I'm whole. I fear the monsters that I make up in my mind, and I've fed my story so much loneliness over the years that, purely by fate, it's become the monster I'm afraid of. From my acetate cutthroat down to the film canister in the stomach of who I've let myself become.